this problem here, 27, and this problem here, this actually belongs in section 5.3, and we just did not get to that for this exam. So we'll take this one off, and we'll take this one off. These are section 5.3. We'll get there on our next exam. But now this one, here in 29, we did. This is 5.4. This is the difference of two squares, and we know how that factors. Here's our parentheses. That factors as conjugate. So we'll unsquare, say 5x and 5x. That's from the 25x squared, right? And the 36, that'll come from a 6 and a 6. See if I can get this. A 6 and a 6. One's plus, one's minus. There's our conjugates. Now, in number 30, this is the sum of two squares, and there's no template for that. So that one, we're just going to write as prime. Look at here in 31, we've got the difference, right? The difference of two cubes. So we have a pattern for this, and the pattern goes like this. We get two terms and three terms. Now the two terms come from uncubing, like taking cube roots in a sense. So what number cubed gives us 27? That's a 3. And then we'll have the x, right? X cubed is x cubed. And then what gives us the 8 is a 2. 2 cubed is 8. And we use the same sign, right? So we uncube and use the same sign. Now, to get the three terms, we use the two terms and run it through a template. So just say it to yourself and write what you say. So we square the first. 3x times 3x, 9x squared. Then multiply these two together and change the sign. So if you multiply them together, you get positive 3x times negative 2. That's negative 6x, but you change the sign, so you get plus 6x. And then, okay, I need to make this a little bit bigger. And then you square the last, right? So square the first, 9x squared. Multiply these two together, negative 6x, change the sign, positive 6x. And then square the last. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. In number 32, nothing's common all the way through. Let's write our two parentheses. How about an x and an x? Now, what do you think we're going to use here to multiply together to get 25 to add for a 10? 25 and 1? No. 5 and 5. So how about a 5 and a 5? 25 is positive, so they're both going to have that plus sign. So how about x plus 5, x plus 5? But when I write this, I'm going to write it as x plus 5 squared.